Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on this device. So if your phone is laggy and like it don't react for your actions, like you tap, you press buttons and it reacts in no way, what you can do about it? You have to restart your device, but if it doesn't react when you press buttons, what you have to do? You can hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down for about 5 or 10 seconds, and after that your device will be force restarted and won't be laggy anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.